Why was my vanilla gift card declined online?
Hello, viewers. Today, we're going to be addressing a common issue many face when using vanilla gift cards for online purchases. Why was your vanilla gift card declined online? It's a frustrating experience, we understand. So let's jump straight into the possible reasons and how to avoid this in the future. Stay tuned to help make your online shopping experience smoother.
Is your vanilla gift card activated?
The first and most common reason why your vanilla gift card could be declined online is that the card is not activated. This typically happens if you just received your card and have not yet activated it for use. Vanilla gift cards usually come with instructions on how to activate the card, either through a website or a phone number. Ensure that you have followed these instructions before trying to use the card for online purchases.
Did you register your zip code?
The next potential problem could be with the registration of your zip code. Some online vendors require a zip code for verification when processing transactions. If you have not registered a zip code with your vanilla gift card, this could be why your card is getting declined. You can usually register a zip code by visiting the vanilla gift card's website or calling their customer service line. Once you've registered your zip code, try the transaction again.
Have you checked your card balance?
Another reason your vanilla gift card may be declined online is due to an insufficient balance. If the cost of the item you're trying to purchase exceeds the balance on your card, the transaction will not go through. Check the balance of your vanilla gift card before making an online purchase to ensure that it covers the cost of the item and any potential shipping or handling fees. You can usually do this through the vanilla gift card's website or by calling their automated balance inquiry line.
Are you purchasing internationally?
Finally, if you are trying to use your vanilla gift card for an international purchase, this could be why the card is getting declined. Vanilla gift cards are typically only valid in the country where they were purchased. If you are trying to make a purchase from a foreign website or a site that processes its payments internationally, your vanilla gift card may not work. In conclusion, your vanilla gift card could be declined online for a number of reasons. It could be because the card is not activated, the zip code has not been registered, there is an insufficient balance on the card, or you're trying to make an international purchase. Always remember to double-check these aspects before making an online purchase with your vanilla gift card. We hope this video has been informative and helps make your future online shopping experiences hassle-free. Until next time, happy shopping!